With the 44th example, the door of an almirah is 6 feet high and 1.5 meter wide. So let's draw the door. So this is the door which is 6 feet high and 1.5 meter in width. This is 1.5 feet and this is the 6 feet. 8 kg door. So the weight acts at the geometrical center and the weight is 8 g Newton will be acting downward. The door is supported by two hinges situated 1 feet from the ends. So one hinge is at 1 feet from here. The other hinge is 1 feet from here, like this. If the magnitude of the forces exerted by the hinges on the door are equal, find this magnitude. Okay, so we need to find the magnitude of forces exerted by hinge. So the hinges will offer forces in horizontal as well as vertical direction first. The hinges will offer forces in vertical direction N, Y in order to balance the door so that the door should not fall down. Now from about the end, the clockwise torque due to weight is trying to turn the door. So in order to balance this, the reaction from the hinges should be here, like this. The directions we are not sure, so we will check this later on. So the support is A and this support is B. Now as the total force acting up must be equal to total force acting down, so sum of all the forces acting up must be equal to sum of all the forces acting down. That is, Ny plus Ny will be equal to 2Ny is equal to 8G. So Ny comes out to be 4G and that is our equation 1. Second, the torque should balance by the horizontal forces. So therefore sum of the torque about point B or about point A must be 0. So I am taking torque about point B. So the torque due to Ny and Nx about point B is 0. While as this is 1 feet, this is 1 feet. So obviously this distance is 4 feet. So I can say the anti-clockwise torque due to Nx will be Nx into 4 perpendicular distance, while clockwise torque due to 8G will be in the negative direction. So I can say minus clockwise force into distance. So distance will be at a distance half. The half of 1.5 upon 2. 1.5 upon 2 must be equal to 0. So Nx into 4 is equal to, this will be 2 4s are 8 and 15 4s are 60, so that would be 6G. So Nx will be equal to 1.5G, equation 2. We need to find the net force. So we can find the net force due to the hinges. So obviously the hinges, one of the hinge exert, the net force exerted by hinges will be equal to under root Nx square plus Ny square by vector addition. So that would be equal to under root of 4G the whole square plus 1.5G the whole square. So it will be 16G square plus 2.25G square. So 16G square plus 2.25, so 16 2.25, that will be 5 2, 6 plus 2 will be 8 1, 18.25G square. So this comes out to be under root of 18.25G and the root of 18.25. Okay, so let's find the root of 18.25. So the under root of 18.25, if you do roughly, so that comes out to be 4.3G. As if you take value of G as 10, so approximately the net force exerted by each hinge comes out to be 43 Newton. Thank you.